Top 10 Financial Books to Read in 2023. Do books have the power to help you become financially stable and achieve growth? Definitely. Books can be a great asset when it comes to your finances. Many highly successful people such as Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Ben Franklin are known for being enthusiastic readers. If you want to reach financial success, build wealth, one of the most important things you can do right now is start reading books. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 10 books that can help you with your finances. These books include valuable advice from financial gurus like Dave Ramsey, Robert Kiyosaki, and Tony Robbins. So let's jump right into the video. 10. The Intelligent Investor, $16 by Benjamin Graham. If you were to choose just one investment book to read, make it The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Graham, often referred to as the godfather of value investing, holds significant influence in the investment world. The Intelligent Investor is widely regarded as one of the most influential books on investment ever written. By far the best book on investing ever written, Warren Buffett. If you read just one book on investing during your lifetime, make it this one, Fortune. 9. The Psychology of Money, 1999, by Morgan Housel. The book, written by Morgan Housel with over 3 million copies sold and has been translated into 53 languages, has helpful ideas that can help you become a better investor. This book explores the emotional factors that shape our financial decision-making, helping us gain self-awareness and understanding in this area. Following are the lessons from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. 1. Time is powerful. Be patient with investments for long-term growth. 2. Emotions matter. Understand and control emotions for better decisions. 3. Process over outcomes. Focus on a solid investment process. 4. Define your own wealth. Expand beyond finances for fulfillment. 5. Learn from history. Expect the unexpected. 8. The Automatic Millionaire, $17 by David Bach. The Automatic Millionaire is a best-selling financial book that has sold over 1.5 million copies worldwide. It offers updated information on taxes, investments, and automation technologies. The book tells the inspiring story of an average couple who achieved financial success through automatic savings and retiring with over $1 million in savings. It emphasizes the importance of an automatic plan to secure your financial future. 7. The Truth About Your Future, $18, by Rick Edelman. New York Times bestselling author and investment guru Rick Edelman, with more than 1 million copies in print in 7 languages, presents a forward-thinking guide on how technology and science will reshape saving, investing, and planning for the future. Edelman explains how smart investors can adapt and thrive in today's changing marketplace, offering practical investment advice based on recent scientific and technological advancements. Discoveries in robotics, nanotechnology, 3D printing, solar energy, biotechnology, and medicine will redefine life expectancies, careers, and retirements. Edelman provides clear advice on recalibrating savings for college, investing during careers, and planning for retirement. 6. Make Your Kid a Money Genius, Even If You're Not, $21, by Beth Kobliner. Beth Kobliner, best-selling author of Get a Financial Life, with more than 1 million copies, offers Make Your Kid a Money Genius, a must-have guide for parents. This easy-to-understand book provides step-by-step instructions to teach children, from toddlers to young adults, about smart money management. It emphasizes values like delayed gratification, hard work, living within means, education, and generosity for long-term success. 5. The Total Money Makeover, $28.99, by Dave Ramsey and Thomas Nelson. Are you tired of the ineffective get-rich-quick schemes and misleading financial advice? Look no further than the Total Money Makeover Classic Edition, with more than 5 million copies sold out to reshape your finances. This straightforward guide offers a proven plan to pay off all debts, debunk dangerous money myths, and build a substantial emergency fund and retirement savings. The book features expanded sections on common financial challenges such as marriage conflicts and college debt, along with helpful resources and forms. 4. How to Make Your Money Last, $19, by Jane Bryant Quinn. This book offers valuable insights on turning your retirement savings into a lifelong income stream, which got attention of millions of people. It addresses the fear of running out of money in old age and provides strategies to maximize your financial resources. Learn how to optimize Social Security benefits, make informed decisions about pensions and home equity, and manage retirement accounts wisely. By implementing these techniques, you can increase your spending power and ensure your funds last longer. 3. The Millionaire Next Door, 1895, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The Millionaire Next Door is a great book for anyone who wants to become wealthy. This book has sold more than 3 million copies since its publication in 1996. The authors, Stanley and Danko, found that successful people share 7 common traits. They discovered that hard work, saving money carefully, and living within your means are more important for building wealth than inheriting money, having advanced degrees, or being super smart. They use surveys, personal interviews, and data collected over 20 years to uncover these patterns among rich individuals. 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, $9, by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the best-selling personal finance book ever. Rich Dad, Poor Dad has sold over 32 million copies in more than 51 languages across more than 109 countries. Author Robert Kiyosaki tells the story of his 2 dads, his real father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad, who became his mentor. One dad was educated and worked as an employee, while the other had street smarts and became a successful entrepreneur. Robert's poor dad struggled financially, and their differing views on money shaped his own thinking. This book challenges the belief that a high income is necessary for wealth and guides readers towards financial freedom. 1. Unshakable, $28.95, by Tony Robbins. Unshakable by Tony Robbins is a collaboration with Peter Malloch, the top-rated financial advisor in the U.S. They provide guidance on achieving true financial freedom and becoming unshakable in the face of uncertainty, and has sold more than 1 million copies since its publication in 2014. The book covers creating an actionable plan for financial freedom, strategies from successful investors, maximizing retirement income, essential financial principles, and uncovering hidden fees. Gain the mindset of true wealth and fulfillment today. And that's it. What do you think about these books? Would you buy any of them? Please share your thoughts in the comments.